aluminum didn't come into existence until 1829. So where did the wedge come from?
Scientists are constantly searching for mysterious entities that defy our understanding of Earth's origins. These entities include strange objects that could potentially point to extraterrestrial life, discoveries that predate human history, and artifacts from ancient civilizations that were influenced by beings from other worlds.
This is baffling to archaeologists. It's an object that they say just couldn't exist.
Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind 20 intriguing objects that do not originate from this planet. Number 20. Man being targeted by aliens. Have you heard of someone in a beef with aliens? Then you need to check out Radivoke Logic. The middle-aged man explains how he has been targeted by extraterrestrial beings through a series of meteorite strikes on his house. While the notion may initially seem far-fetched, his account gains credibility upon closer examination. The unusual incident began in 2007, and by July 2010, the man's house had been struck not once, not twice, but an astonishing 6 times by meteorites. Each impact heightened his belief that aliens were somehow involved. The chances of a single house being struck by meteorites multiple times are extremely slim. Experts from Belgrade University confirmed that the rocks bombarding his house were indeed meteorites. This led the man to believe that extraterrestrial forces were deliberately targeting him. Although the idea of aliens using meteorites as weapons may sound implausible, the recurring incidents raised questions about a potential extraterrestrial link. On a brighter note, he managed to sell the meteorites for good money. Number 19. The Russian UFO tooth wheel. Scientists believe that 300 million years ago, Earth was in its infancy, and dinosaurs were still roaming the land. However, an intriguing discovery in Russia has left scientists puzzled. In Russia, Dmitry, a resident of Vladivostok, stumbled upon a strange object while preparing for winter. A gear shift, a mundane machine part embedded in a coal chunk. Perplexed by its nature, Dmitry sought the assistance of biologist Valery Breyer, who in turn consulted with researchers. The strange object, resembling an artificially created toothed metal rail, astounded the scientific community. The coal chunk, said to originate from the ancient Chernogorodsky mines, dating back to 300 million years ago, predates the existence of humans on Earth. While some skeptics dismiss the notion, questioning the possibility of nature carving such intricate teeth, others speculate whether it could be a relic from time travel or even the work of extraterrestrial beings. Number 18. Mysterious Desert Zigzag Line. In 2011, an intriguing sight caught the attention of a Google Earth user, a complex network of white lines forming intricate grids in the desert. The precision of these formations raised suspicions, leading some to consider an extraterrestrial origin, as if aliens were attempting to communicate with us. However, experts surprised us with a more plausible explanation. They proposed that these zigzagging lines resembled calibration targets used by spy satellites. Now we find ourselves at a crossroads, torn between the presence of aliens and the concrete evidence pointing to a covert spy satellite operation involving multiple nations. The lines in the Gobi Desert raise suspicions, with some speculating that China's spy satellite cameras may have inadequate resolution to justify the massive dimensions of these targets, spanning 65 miles wide and 1.15 meters long. Something doesn't quite add up. Could this be a smokescreen to conceal extraterrestrial communication attempts, or are we truly dealing with a clandestine spy satellite operation? The answer remains unknown. Number 17. Drapa Stones. A Chinese scholar found something that dates back over 12,000 in Bhayankara Ula. This discovery has defied what we should find on Earth. It all started in 1938 when Professor Chi Pu Te stumbled upon a remarkable object called the Drapa Stones. They were a collection of 716 circular discs, each measuring about a foot in diameter. What makes these stones truly intriguing are the intricate hieroglyphic-like markings arranged in double spirals, originating from a central hole. Professor Te's exploration not only unveiled the mysterious stones, but also led to the unearthing of graves containing the remains of extraordinary beings. These beings stood at a height of 4 feet, defying the typical human stature, and had strange skulls. Inside a nearby cave, the walls were adorned with rock art depicting figures donning round helmets. Additionally, engravings of celestial bodies and interconnected groups of pea-sized dots decorated the cave walls. Interestingly, the Drapa stones had a striking resemblance to ancient bee discs, discovered in China dating back to 3000 BC. In 1968, Russian scientist W. Saitsu meticulously examined these enigmatic stones. Through various tests, it was revealed that the granite discs had a strange composition, something that probably isn't supposed to be found on Earth. Number 16. Little Green Men. In 1967, at the Mullard Radio Astronomy Observatory, a remarkable discovery unfolded. Jocelyn Bell Burnell, a 24-year-old PhD student driven by curiosity, made an astonishing observation amidst the 120 miles of radio telescope antenna. While analyzing her chart recordings, she noticed a minute anomaly, a squiggle representing 1 part in 10 million deviations. This marked the groundbreaking discovery of pulsars, peculiar celestial objects in our universe. Pulsars, similar to cosmic lighthouses, are dense celestial spheres formed from the collapse of massive stars. They spin rapidly, emitting opposing beams of radio waves into space, resembling a celestial disco light. Burnell's work not only unraveled the mysteries of pulsars, but also supported Einstein's theory of gravity. Today, scientists strive to harness the power of pulsars for detecting gravitational waves and even as part of space-based navigation systems. However, her advisor, Anthony Hewish, controversially received the Nobel Prize in 1974, overshadowing Burnell's invaluable contribution. Thus, the question remains: who truly discovered these fascinating cosmic entities, often referred to as the little green men of the cosmos? Number 15. The Moai Statues of Easter Island. Deep within Easter Island, the colossal Moai statues stand as captivating mysteries etched in stone. Created by the Rapa Nui natives between 1400 and 1650 AD, these statues defy the misconception of being mere heads. With complete bodies, numbering around 1,000 in total and weighing up to 86 tons, they tower at 33 feet in height. Carved with primitive toki tools from the rugged Rano Raraku volcano, the Moai serve as tributes to departed chiefs, positioned on rectangular stone platforms called ahu. Each statue bears distinct features intentionally crafted to immortalize the individuals they represent. While legends suggest supernatural intervention, evidence points to the resourcefulness of the Rapa Nui people who, armed with toki chisels, not extraterrestrial forces, created these mysterious giants. Number 14. Oumuamua. Now let's discuss something literally out of this world. This mysterious object casually passed by our planet in 2017. Initially classified as an interstellar comet, this celestial visitor quickly distinguished itself with its unconventional characteristics, defying the norms of typical comets and asteroids. What makes Oumuamua stand out is its peculiar elongated shape, unlike anything observed in our solar system. This unusual form ignited wild theories and sparked debates about whether it could be a spacecraft manned by extraterrestrial beings. Adding to the intrigue, Oumuamua mysteriously accelerated as it moved away from the sun, contrary to the expected behavior of comets due to outgassing. There were no visible signs of such activity. It's like a jet plane leaving a trail as it zooms through the sky, yet Oumuamua showed no traditional propellant signs. The mystery deepens, with speculation swirling that it might be an alien probe powered by an unknown force. Despite the allure of extraterrestrial theories, most scientists lean towards natural explanations, even if not fully understood. Number 13. Black Knight Satellite 1. Cosmic conspiracy that has recently resurfaced in headlines is the Black Knight satellite, a legend that has persisted for over 120 years. It revolves around claims of an alien satellite being shot down by elite soldiers from the Illuminati. According to the tale, this extraterrestrial spacecraft is said to be in a near-polar orbit around Earth, shrouded in mystery and speculation. The conspiracy gained traction when images from the STS-88 mission in 1998 showed a black object hovering above Earth during the construction of the International Space Station. However, astronaut Jerry Ross clarified that the mysterious object was a thermal cover lost during a spacewalk mishap. Despite explanations for each piece of evidence, the cosmic conspiracy continues to persist, challenging skeptics and sparking debates about extraterrestrial surveillance. The Black Knight satellite remains an enigmatic chapter in the cosmic conspiracy playbook, leaving us to question the blurred line between fiction and cosmic reality. Number 12. Strange mineral. In the Dead Sea, scientists have made an intriguing discovery in the Negev desert of Israel, just southwest of the Dead Sea. They have found a mineral called alabogdanite, which was previously thought to exist only in extraterrestrial meteorites. This finding challenges our understanding of how minerals form on Earth. Unlike its cosmic counterpart, the alabogdanite found in the Dead Sea suggests a potential extraterrestrial origin, leaving researchers fascinated by the mysterious events that may have led to the creation of this rare mineral. Analysis of samples from the Hatrurim Basin indicates that terrestrial alabogdanite forms under extreme pressure of over 25 gigapascals, a condition you wouldn't expect from Earth's geological processes. The mystery deepens as there is no evidence of significant meteorite impacts in the region, and the rocks in the area do not seem to have clear ties to Earth's mantle. The question remains, where did this terrestrial alabogdanite come from? Number 11. Allen Hills, 84001. In 1984, a significant discovery was made in Antarctica, the Allen Hills 84001 meteorite, weighing about 4.2 pounds. This meteorite is believed to originate from Mars and is estimated to be around 4 billion years old. What makes it particularly fascinating is the presence of possible traces of organic carbon, which has sparked intense scientific debate regarding the potential existence of life on Mars. The debate revolves around the origin of this organic carbon. Some scientists argue that it may result from non-living processes like volcanic activity or impact events on Mars, while others propose the intriguing possibility that it could be remnants of ancient Martian life forms. However, the interpretation of the meteorite's features and organic compounds remains contentious, with critics suggesting alternative explanations and potential terrestrial contamination. As of now, the question of whether this organic carbon signifies past Martian life or not remains unanswered, leaving scientists eager to uncover more evidence and reach a definitive conclusion. Number 10. The WOW signal. On a summer night in 1977, an Ohio State University radio telescope known as the Big Ear detected a signal that would become a captivating enigma in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence: the WOW signal. This signal, observed on August 15th, stood out due to its remarkable duration and intensity. Lasting for 72 seconds, it exhibited characteristics suggesting an interstellar origin. Jerry Amon, astounded by its properties, famously wrote "WOW" on the printout, thus giving the signal its name. However, the source of the WOW signal remains speculative and subject to debate. Some propose that it originated from an extraterrestrial civilization, as it aligned with the expected features of intentional communication from deep space. This hypothesis gains support from the signal's apparent location in the constellation Sagittarius, near the center of our galaxy, a region with potential for hosting advanced civilizations. Number 9. Russian Kid from Mars. Boris Kiprianovich, a young Russian, has garnered attention with his extraordinary claim that he used to live on Mars. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? But Boris insists that this is his reality, and he has been sharing his Martian experiences with his parents since a very young age. He speaks of a catastrophic war on Mars, advanced Martian technology, and even space travel. Not only that, but Boris also provides insights into planetary systems, other civilizations, and unknown extraterrestrial objects. While his story captivates our imagination and piques our curiosity about the universe's mysteries, we must approach Boris's claims with skepticism. It is possible that his knowledge of space is fueled by an active imagination. Nonetheless, there are those who genuinely believe that Boris might be from the red planet just as he claims. Number 8. Alleged UFO crash in Antarctica. In the frozen expanse of Antarctica, a captivating image found on Google Earth has ignited intense speculation among UFO enthusiasts. The focal point of this enigmatic case lies on South Georgia Island, situated off the coast of Antarctica in the Atlantic Ocean. In a satellite photograph, an intriguing sight emerges, a lengthy, cigar-shaped object that appears to have glided across the snow, leaving a distinct trail in its wake. Swiftly capturing the attention of alien hunters and UFO researchers, some assert that this object, estimated to measure approximately 160 feet in length, is a crashed extraterrestrial craft. The narrative suggests that it collided against a mountainside on South Georgia Island, subsequently sliding across the icy surface, thereby creating a conspicuous track. While it remains impossible to physically investigate the alleged wreckage due to its remote location, conspiracy theorists propose that Antarctica's isolation makes it a potential site for extraterrestrial activities. Number 7. The Antikythera mechanism. The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device, is a remarkable feat of engineering that predates known advancements by centuries. Discovered in a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera, this device has been dated to around the 2nd century BCE. It functions as an ancient analog computer, used for predicting astronomical positions, planetary movements, and future solar eclipses. Comprising 30 metal gears, this mechanism worked in harmony to calculate and display information about celestial phenomena, making it the earliest known example of such a complex device. The sophistication of the Antikythera mechanism has led to speculation about its origins. Pseudo-archaeologists have suggested that it might not be the work of ancient Greeks, but rather a creation of a more advanced, possibly extraterrestrial civilization. This theory proposes that extraterrestrials or individuals from the future introduced the device to Earth as evidence of their presence. However, mainstream historians and archaeologists largely dismiss this theory. Number 6. Tehran UFO incident. In the early morning hours of September 19, 1976, an extraordinary event unfolded in the skies over Tehran, the capital city of Iran. Shortly after midnight, the Iranian Air Force Command began receiving numerous phone calls reporting unusual objects in the sky. Descriptions varied, with some likening the object to a bird and others to a helicopter with an unusually bright light. What made the Tehran UFO incident particularly notable was the combination of radar and visual sightings. 2 experienced Iranian Air Force pilots visually confirmed the UFO, and radar signatures were detected by air traffic control towers. As 2 F-4 Phantom II jet interceptors approached the object, they encountered significant malfunctions in their instrumentation and communication systems. These issues ceased as soon as they disengaged from the UFO. The Tehran UFO incident is one of the most well-documented and unsettling UFO sightings in history. Number 5. The Dogu figurines. The Dogu figurines discovered in Japan bear a resemblance to the fabled lizard men, sparking speculation about ancient extraterrestrial visitation. Dating back to the Jomon period, 14,000 to 300 BCE, these clay figures have a distinctive and otherworldly appearance, with large eyes, slender waists, and intricate patterns. These enigmatic artifacts have captivated the imagination of many, with some proposing that they represent beings from another world. While experts suggest the unconventional features may be artistic or related to headgear, these figurines do indicate the existence of other forms of life on our planet. Number 4. The Voynich manuscript. Have you heard about the Voynich manuscript? It's a fascinating medieval tome that has been the subject of much intrigue. It's actually hidden away in the rare book library at Yale University. Discovered by a rare book dealer named Wilfrid Voynich over a century ago, this manuscript is like a cosmic puzzle. It's adorned with whimsical line drawings and written in an unknown script that has never been found anywhere else. The writing system in the Voynich manuscript is truly unique. It features beautifully fluid curves and mysterious letters known as gallows. Despite its focus on the natural world with illustrations of flowers, human figures, herbs, zodiac charts, and celestial movements, the script remains completely unreadable. The manuscript's history is just as intriguing as its contents. It passed through the hands of Holy Roman Emperor Rudolf II, alchemist Georg Baresch, and eventually ended up with Jesuit scholar Athanasius Kircher. Many have attempted to decipher its secrets, but the code has proven resistant to decryption. Some even believe it could be an ancient alien code left on Earth. Number 3. The Ubaid lizardmen. Mainstream archaeologists widely believe that civilization originated in ancient Mesopotamia, particularly with the Sumerian civilization in what is now Iraq. However, excavations at Tel al-Ubaid in the early 20th century uncovered intriguing artifacts dating back 7,000 years. These artifacts depict humanoid figures displaying reptilian characteristics. Some conspiracy theories involving reptilian humanoids propose that these shape-shifting creatures clandestinely govern humanity, occupying positions of power within governments, financial institutions, and influential organizations. According to these theories, reptilian humanoids have the ability to disguise themselves as humans, manipulate global events, and derive sustenance from negative emotions. Number 2. Radiation-proof bacteria. In 2002, Russian astrobiologists proposed a fascinating hypothesis that a bacteria on Earth might have actually originated on Mars. Deinococcus radiodurans, known as the toughest bacteria on our planet, can survive in extreme conditions, including cold, dehydration, vacuum, and acid. However, what makes it truly astonishing is its remarkable resistance to radiation. These microbes can withstand thousands of times the amount of radiation that humans or any other bacteria can endure. Since Earth does not have such high levels of radiation, scientists speculate that these bacteria may have evolved on Mars, where radiation levels are substantially higher. Number 1. USS Princeton UFO. In 2004, a remarkable UFO sighting occurred on November 14th, involving the USS Princeton. Situated approximately 100 miles off the coast of San Diego, the crew had been monitoring an unidentified aircraft for 2 weeks. The object displayed peculiar behavior, soaring at around 80,000 feet before abruptly descending near the Pacific Ocean. Responding to the situation, Black Aces Commander David Fravor and Lieutenant Commander Jim Slate from Strike Fighter Squadron 41 embarked on a reconnaissance mission in 2 fighter jets. Upon arrival, they observed what initially seemed to be turbulent waters with an oval-shaped entity just beneath the surface. Subsequently, a white, unmarked, oval-shaped object emerged above the water, devoid of windows, wings, or discernible engine features. Intriguingly, the infrared monitors on the jets failed to detect any exhaust emissions. Despite their attempts to intercept the enigmatic craft, it swiftly evaded them, reappearing on the radar 60 miles away. Its extraordinary speed surpassed anything these seasoned pilots had ever encountered. Thanks for watching. Which of these strange objects did you find most fascinating? Leave a response in the comments. See you in the next video.